what is the basis for this chatbot? One basis we already mentioned, that is the ontology. So a robust language model with synonyms for every single word. So if you train the system for one word, it automatically will pick up all the known synonyms for this word in this particular language. And if you say, if you train the system with a certain food item, you say, I just don't want just this food item, but this rule should match to all the other generalizations of this. So I work with a sample phrase that says Turkey, but really this is supposed to apply to all poultry, then this is very easy to do. So it drastically reduces the number of training phrases or phrases that you have to consider because of the inherent language understanding that the system already comes equipped with. Another really important one, of course, is the syntactical analysis and semantical analysis. So this example up there, I want to cache my check, is obviously a different intent that I want to check my cache. Right? If you just had a pure keyword spotting approach, it would be really hard to distinguish these. So what you really need is not only the recognition of these words, but also understanding of what function they have in this sentence, right? And what we call the governance relationship between them is. In the first case, cache is a verb, and it governs the noun check. In the second phrase, check is a verb and governs the term or the noun cache. So you need to be able to distinguish those. Other examples, where can I check in online? Another one, I want a large pizza and a medium Coke. Again, you need to have the governance relationships. Large is governed by pizza, medium is governed by Coke. So these are just concepts that need to be available when creating these rules, these semantic and syntactical rules, to extract information and also to identify intents. Another thing that's almost a no-brainer these days. So you need to have abilities to recognize typical data types. The most difficult one typically is dates and times. Let's meet tomorrow at 2 p.m. Do we have an open slot on 3/7 at noon? I'll be available 2 hours from now. All this needs to be easy to be picked up, identified as date or time, and mapped to some formal representation that the application then can work with.